Books are for reading, not for eating, by Momo and Joseph Graham. Once upon a time, there was a nice little family, Mom, Dad, and baby JL. They were a happy family. There was just one problem. JL didn't know how to use things the right way. When Mom tried to dress JL in the morning, "No, JL, socks are for wearing, not for tearing." When Dad tried to water the plants, "No, JL, plants are for growing, not for throwing." When Mom tried to make lunch, "No, JL, pictures are for looking, not for cooking." When Dad tried to write his story, "No, JL, pens are for writing, not for biting." When Mom tried to call Grandma in the afternoon, "No, JL, phones are for calling, not for falling." And when Dad tried to tell a bedtime story, "No, JL, books are for reading, not for eating." But when JL started to cry, Dad and Mom remembered. Babies are for holding, not for scolding. The problem is, sometimes no one knows the right way to do things. The end.